13 loves to Yamel, Anube, and all the true righteous Moors. 13 wisdom, 13 love, 13 knowledge, 13 respect, 13 ahava, 13 akah, 13 Hashem. So this is what we're working with today here. I'm going to be taking out my old HDD, or as many know of a hard disk, out of my 2010 MacBook Pro. No, it's not a MacBook Pro. It's just a regular white MacBook. It's 2010. It's I think it's like the first one of the first ones with that one touch thing right there. Touchpad. I love that touchpad. So basically, to get to this point, if you don't know how to get to this point, there are like 8 screws at the top and bottom. You just unscrew them, and that's how you get under here. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this battery out, because it's never good to be unconnecting and disconnecting things when you have the battery in still. You could short something or fuck something up. So you see, I just took that battery out right there. It's not hard. You just gotta pull it up. But you see, look how it looks. You see, it's like you gotta get it from that little part right there. And then yeah. So after I take the battery, all I gotta do really is pretty easy. You just take this screw and this screw, take them out. Hold on, I gotta answer the phone. Thank you for calling King Tech Repair. How may I help you? No.